It's the season of love. Valentine's is around the corner. How would you be celebrating it this time around with your loved one?
Well, I have my son, and
Okay.
he's my favorite Valentine this year.
Okay.
So I'm going to be with my son and
Okay.
my family.
Okay.
And we'll see. We'll probably have like a nice quiet dinner or something.
Okay.
And I think I don't know. I think each day should be a Valentine's Day.
Correct.
For people who you love.
Okay.
But since we celebrate Valentine's Day,
Okay.
so there'll obviously be roses and cards and gifts and yeah, so a lot of fun that everyone.
But do you still surprise your wife with a surprise gift?
Of course, I need to. Yeah, if she wants, I mean, if I want her as my wife all my life, then I have to. I can't stop the surprises.
But is the pressure more on the males rather than the females to
It's
surprise?
always
you?
on the male.
Okay.
The pressure is on the male.
Okay.
Giving pressure is on the female. Like their pressure is. What is the next pressure that I have to give my husband?
With my partner, and he's gonna fly down on 13th late night, so I'm waiting for him. This year I have to plan a surprise for him, so let's see what I'm going to do. I've still not thought about anything, तो कुछ सोचूंगी तो कुछ जरूर करूंगी.
Do you think there should be a special day for lovers to celebrate like a Valentine's Day? What is your take on this?
My take would be, why not? I mean, if you're asking why, then my answer to your question is why not? Of course, all the other days are also equally important, and the moments shared between two people in love are equally important. But if there is one chance and one special occasion where a little bit more efforts are made, and especially the kind of busy schedules here and the kind of lifestyle we lead, not bad. Like
It's a reminder for us to, you know, you have to celebrate this day with that person, and you have to do something.
Yeah.
Reminder as in otherwise you forget.
Otherwise, I forget. Like I'm shooting, I don't care.
Okay.
It's a reminder for me.
It's the season of love. Valentine's is around the corner. What are your plans this time around?
I have some special plans for some special ones.
Okay.
There's one special girl in my life.
Okay.
It's been long now, so
Okay.
I'll be celebrating with her only. Yeah.
Okay, all right. So a nice romantic dinner date planned, or what is it like?
See, that's also special. That's also secret.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, but do you think this concept of Valentine's आज भी मायने रखता है?
हाँ, बहुत मायने रखता है.
Okay.
देखो वैसे तो ये कहेंगे कि इट्स एवरीडे लाइक अपने गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड को बनाना चाहिए, मगर एक होता है स्पेशल होता है, उस दिन आपको फील स्पेशल होता है कि टुडे इज आवर डे.
Okay.
आवर डे. नहीं तो हमेशा बर्थडे होता है तो माय डे.
Okay.
योर डे.
Okay.
वैलेंटाइन इज आवर डे.
Okay. Are you someone who surprises your lover with gifts and
Yeah,
stuff?
I do.
Okay.
But I would say that she surprises me.
Oh, lovely. In the corner, it's a season of love. How do you plan to celebrate it this time?
I don't know. I haven't really thought about it. I think you know what? I mean, I don't want to be boring, but it's a bit overhyped.
Okay.
So I would do something because I have this major FOMO and I would not want to sit at home. But I think it's very hyped. Yeah. I mean, it's so difficult to even go out. Everything's crowded and everything is. Valentine's is not exactly the most romantic day in the city.
Okay.
The getaway would be nice, but I'm not doing that.
Okay. Right. Who would you say is the hottest cricketer in the country right now?
Dhoni?
Ah, okay. All right. You know, it's the season of love. Valentine's is around the corner. What are your plans this time around?
Valentine's. Damn, I don't have a date. No, I don't really have a better half, so I
Okay.
can't really go out on a Valentine's Day.
Okay.
So I usually celebrate Valentine's with my parents when they're both supposed to be together. I just hop in between.
Okay, but do you believe in the concept of Valentine's having a day specifically reserved for lovers?
I don't really think so. I
Okay.
mean, if you're in love and you feel like it, I
Okay.
think every day should be Valentine's.
Right.
But yeah, like when you say Mother's Day and Father's Day and everything, they're just made so that, you know, sometimes you just take that one moment and one step back to look what you've done and what you've built and the mistakes that you make that you don't really make out in the regular life.
Okay.
So you want to make your better half feel more important and more proud that, alright, if you have something to regret and you have something to say, be sorry about, I
Right.
think you can do it whenever.
Right.
But yeah, this is that day that you can actually take a step back and look at, alright, this is what I've done.
Okay. Season of love. Valentine's is around the corner. What are your plans this time around, and how will you be celebrating?
Your Valentine's Day goes for a toss as soon as you get married.
It does.
But otherwise, no. On a very serious note, I think I really. It's very juvenile and it's very cliche to say that I do not believe in a Valentine's Day. Every day should be a Valentine's Day and all that. But if it's a day to be celebrated, I think it's a day that has to be celebrated well. So I think.
Do you like surprising?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I myself get surprised of what I've surprised.
Season of love. Valentine's is around the corner. How would you be celebrating?
क्या मेरी शक्ल देख के आपको लगता है कि मेरा वैलेंटाइन से कोई लेना देना हो सकता है? जी, मेरा वैलेंटाइन से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. इनफैक्ट मुझे किसी ने पूछा था व्हाट आर यू डूइंग ऑन द 14th of Feb, तो मैंने कहा क्यों, क्या है?
तो मुझे तो वो भी पता नहीं होता। हाँ, मेरा कोई लेना देना नहीं है इन सब घोंसलों से।
बट आपको लगता है एक स्पेशल डे होना चाहिए लवर्स के लिए इन द फॉर्म?
यार जो मोहब्बत करता है ना, जैसे मैं हूँ, लड़के की चोट पे प्यार करती हूँ, मोहब्बत करती हूँ, उनके लिए रोज ही वैलेंटाइंस डे, एक स्पेशल डे का इंतजार नहीं करना पड़ता। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये जो लोग हैं जो वैलेंटाइंस पे फूल वूल देते हैं, मुझे बहुत इरिटेट करते हैं।